French tutor. Today we are starting with le français. Le français. Le français is the French term in French. We will start with the first thing we need to know. We call l'alphabet français. L'alphabet français means the French alphabet. The French alphabet is the same as the English alphabet. There is no difference by writing, but there is a difference by pronunciations. Now, here we will say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. L'alphabet français. L'alphabet français has similarities with the English. Now, you will notice I put below the different type of pronunciations. We call them the phonetics. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F. Similarity to English. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Similarity to English. P, Q, R, S, another similarity. T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, the French alphabet comes with 20 consonants and 6 vowels. The vowels, we call them les voyelles. Les voyelles, we have les voyelles. We have A, E, I, O, U, Y. Y is Y in English, but in French is a vowel. So we are going to repeat once more. A, E, I, O, U, Y. And these are the vowels. Thank you.